Hello, students of cello. If you are working on total praise, this video is for you. I want to talk specifically about the rhythm at measure 64. So let's get into it. I'm going to play this on a D string. This is how it should sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 1, 2, again, go. 1, 2. Rest. Now, when you get to the 16th notes here, you're going to need to shift to play this on the C string. So the fingering will be 1, 3, 4, 1. So write that in, 1, 3, 4, and back to 1. So it's going to look like this. I'll do that again on the C string. So you should definitely play those 4 notes on the C string. Okay, I'm going to stop my share and just play at 64. Let's see. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. I'll do this in first position first. 64, starting on open A, the way you've been practicing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and rest. And then the first ending, 2, 3, 4. And then we go back to 52. Okay. Let's see. Let's try it from, let's do that one more time. This time, instead of me starting on open A, we're going to start in position. So you're going to play your A, fingered A, on the D string. This is second position on the D string. So it's from 64. Watch my fingering. I'll go super slow. 2, 3, and 4, and shift, stay, extended first finger for the C natural. And then guess what? Because you're in position, just rock your bow over to the C string, bring your first finger right there. See, everything is set up in place. Then you rock back and keep your first finger anchored. So we're going to roll your bow back to the D string, place your fourth finger, and now we're at 68. Then you can take your first finger off C when you get to D. Or you can do this. Open, shift back to first position on open D, and then just play those 4 notes in first position. See? Okay, so now let's get into it at 68. We're starting from 68. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. I'm starting with the wrong note. Here we go. F sharp. 2, 3, 4. Shift. shift. And that's it for that part. Okay, let me know if you have any questions about that, and I will see you soon.